In this video, I will show you how to create a new worksheet on Excel. So firstly, open Microsoft Excel by searching here. So click on Start and search Excel. If you are new and just you need basic knowledge for Excel, so this channel is helpful for you. There is some basic videos, and also guys, you are advanced user, so you will find some useful advanced video for macros and for additional features in Excel. So once you open Excel, click on File and here click on New, and here click on Blank Workbook. So here you can edit, you can create this worksheet, and once you complete your work, click on File and Save. Select location where you want to save, like this PC, desktop, and save it with your desired name. So this is the method to create a Excel worksheet. Thanks for watching.